Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P1780, which refers to the shift control system being in transmission default mode, is a relevant diagnostic code for the Honda Civic from 2011 to 2015. This code indicates there are underlying issues with the automatic transmission control system, specifically its ability to manage gears effectively. The primary components implicated in this code include the Transmission Control Module, TCM, and the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, located in the engine compartment. These components are responsible for monitoring and controlling the transmission's operation, ensuring smooth shifting between gears. When this code is triggered, it is often accompanied by DTCs, P1746 and P1747, which further indicate issues in the transmission system. Therefore, addressing this code not only involves understanding its implications, but also carefully following the troubleshooting steps to resolve the underlying problems. DTC P1780 primarily affects the automatic transmission system of the Honda Civic, particularly its ability to shift gears smoothly. The Automatic Transmission Control Module, TCM, plays a crucial role in managing the transmission's operation, ensuring that the vehicle shifts through all gears as required based on driving conditions. The Powertrain Control Module, PCM, often located in the engine compartment, communicates with the TCM to execute this operation. If these components are malfunctioning, it can lead to a transmission default mode situation, causing the vehicle to remain in a specific gear or function erratically. It is important to locate and verify the integrity of these components during troubleshooting to determine the root cause of the issue. This is critical because the fault may not only lie within one component, but may also relate to other sensors or circuits associated with the transmission system. Several possible causes can trigger DTC P1780. A faulty transmission control module, TCM, may fail to communicate properly with the powertrain control module, PCM, leading to the transmission's inability to shift correctly. Another potential culprit might be issues with the powertrain control module itself, which can cause disruptions in its communication with other systems. Wiring or connector problems are also common causes to intermittent signals or complete loss of communication between the components. Corroded connectors, damaged wires, or loose connections must be inspected thoroughly. Additionally, any external factors, such as a low transmission fluid level, should be checked, as they can also affect transmission performance, triggering this diagnostic code. Identifying these causes accurately is vital for effective repairs. When DTC P1780 is present, several symptoms may become evident while operating the vehicle. One clear symptom is erratic or harsh shifting, where the transmission shifts unexpectedly or with a noticeable jolt, affecting driving comfort and safety. Additionally, you may notice an inability to shift gears altogether, which can result in the vehicle getting stuck in one gear, making it difficult to drive. Warning lights on the dashboard, such as the check engine light, may illuminate, alerting the driver to possible transmission issues. When these symptoms arise, immediate diagnostic evaluation is essential to prevent further damage to the transmission system. Understanding these symptoms can help technicians quickly identify the presence of DTC P1780 during their evaluation. In the first troubleshooting step for DTC P1780, start by turning the ignition switch to the on/to position, ensuring that the vehicle's electrical systems are powered. Once the ignition is engaged, utilize the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to clear the existing diagnostic trouble code. This will reset any previous faults stored in the memory, allowing for a fresh evaluation of the vehicle's system. After clearing the DTC, conduct a test drive with the shift lever positioned in drive D. During this drive, allow the transmission to shift through all 5 gears to ensure it operates normally. This step is crucial as it verifies whether the issue persists and is essential for identifying if any other diagnostic trouble codes are generated during the drive. The feedback from the HDS after this drive helps guide the next steps in troubleshooting. The second troubleshooting step involves checking for any other diagnostic trouble codes using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS. After the initial test drive, it is essential to identify if there are any pending codes or confirmed DTCs present alongside P1780. This process helps isolate whether the problem is confined to the shift control system or if there is a broader issue affecting the transmission. Carefully review the HDS data for any additional codes that might provide clues about the malfunction. If other DTCs are found, proceed with the individual troubleshooting steps corresponding to those codes, as they may reveal the root cause of the malfunction. This stage is vital for comprehensive diagnosis, ensuring no underlying issues are overlooked. If no additional DTCs are detected alongside DTC P1780, proceed to the next step of troubleshooting. Verify if the powertrain control module, PCM, holds the latest software version. If it does not, an update is necessary to rectify any software-related issues affecting transmission performance. Following the software update, if problems persist, substituting the PCM with a known good unit is recommended. This helps eliminate the possibility of a malfunctioning PCM being the root of the issue. After making these updates or substitutions, conduct a repair verification step. This entails the same test drive of the vehicle, monitoring the OBD status for P1780 to evaluate if the issue has been resolved. If further issues or codes arise, continue troubleshooting as necessary. Final repair verification is essential to ensure that the corrective actions taken have resolved the issues triggering DTC P1780. Start by test driving the vehicle again with the shift lever in drive, D, allowing the transmission to go through all 5 gears as before. During the drive, closely monitor the vehicle's performance to see if it shifts smoothly and correctly without any erratic behavior. Utilize the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to check the OBD status for DTC P1780. This step will indicate whether the fault has been cleared and if the system is functioning as intended. Document the results within the HDS to maintain a clear record of the diagnostic and repair process. A pass status confirms that the issue has been successfully addressed, allowing you to move forward with confidence. To prevent the recurrence of DTC P1780, regular preventive maintenance is crucial. Start by ensuring that the transmission fluid is checked regularly and replaced according to the manufacturer's recommendations. This helps maintain optimal transmission performance. Keeping the wiring and connectors clean from corrosion and dirt is also vital. Corroded connectors can lead to erratic signals or loss of communication in the automatic transmission system. Additionally, always check for and apply necessary software updates for the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, and Transmission Control Module, TCM, to ensure they operate with the latest functionality and fixes. Taking these preventive measures will significantly reduce the risk of issues that could trigger diagnostic codes in the future, leading to a smoother driving experience. In conclusion, diagnosing and resolving DTC P1780 requires a comprehensive understanding of the automatic transmission system's components and their interactions. Following the structured troubleshooting steps ensures that technicians can accurately pinpoint the root cause of the problem. By addressing potential faults, whether they originate from the transmission control module, powertrain control module, or wiring harnesses, The corrective actions can restore proper functionality. Moreover, maintaining a proactive approach through regular preventive maintenance will help avoid the recurrence of such codes, enhancing overall vehicle performance and reliability. Always refer to diagnostic systems like the HDS for accurate data collection and monitoring during troubleshooting to ensure effective repairs. This holistic approach not only resolves the current issue, but contributes to the long-term health of the vehicle. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.